After all that, I never did get my breakfast.
There's just never any good garbage to eat nowadays. There's nothing to eat, I tell ya. Think you can do better? Fine, I'll keep looking.
Oh, sorry. Thought it was a churro.
Well, it's not. It's actually my... Wow! What the hell is wrong with you?
I have no excuse this time. I'm just so hungry.
Why are you in my garage making gross sounds?
I'm getting pretty hungry too. I'll go have dinner too.
Oh, Cody, you okay?
Yeah, sorry guys, that's my stomach. I ate a 12-inch hot dog without chewing it, and now my stomach's all messed up.
Well, why don't you use the bathroom?
Yeah, I guess I'll do that.
Huh?
Quiet, stomach! We don't want to wake everybody!
Eddie! It sounds like the howl of a werewolf from the belly of Hades. Get off me, Ed. That's your belly. Whoa.
What was that, Frightful? Sorry, my bad. It was my stomach. It was telling me I should just go back for me to have dinner. I should just have dinner real quick.
Hey, Fred, what's up?
A monster! Why is there a monster coming after me? Six, it's your stomach, you fool! Oh, I see. I probably need some food real bad.
Today!
I don't know.
Joseph, is that your stomach?
Oh yeah, dude, my bad. I haven't eaten in 3 days.
But you should, like, eat something.
Yeah.
Well, not everybody has money like you, Cody, and I haven't seen any roadkill.
What's wrong, stomach? Why are you making so many noises? Wait, I think you want some gummy worms, don't you?
Nothing. I lost my shoe. See, found it. Okay, bye.
Hold it. What's going on with you, Krabs? Your clothes are a mess, and your stomach's making strange noises.
What are you talking about? Oh, fine. I'm that chum, okay?
Say what?
Come on, we have to work together so we can find a way out of this tree. What's that?
It's my tummy. I need a snack.
That reminds me, I'm still hungry. Got any more posters?
Knock yourself out.
Well, I'm sure Karen will notice that I'm gone and come find me. Oh, I'm getting hungry.
King is hungry. What say you fix me a snack fit for a monarch?
Seems like I'm running on empty.
As usual, Squidward. Now, all I have to do is sit here until this storm blows over. Wait a minute. I'm starving. SpongeBob's gotta have some.
When I'm hungry, I gotta have some food.
What's that, Tom? Maybe it's like a dinosaur or something. Listen.
No, Nat. It wasn't a dinosaur. You know, dinosaurs are extinct. They died from getting crashed by an asteroid. A long, long, long time ago. Talking about millions of years ago. It's not a dinosaur, Nat. It's my stomach. I'm really, really hungry. I wonder if there's any food around here.
That's okay. You're a growing pup, and I could stand to lose a few pounds. You still hungry? Well, let's see what we can do about that.
I say, Pooh, what about the honey?
Some other time, perhaps.
What's that?
I've just been alerted that I forgot something important in my big plan. Food. I think I feel faint. No food? Tell me you're joking.
Checkmate.
I'm famished.
Let me guess. Automated.
Wait! Do you smell that? I smell something.